just need to fix the class. Now we going to the jewel, about to get some cash. It's not about the money, just the honey. So come spy with the queens and watch them from the back.
Hello everyone, and welcome to the I Spy Queen channel. My name is Anitra, and I'm a full-time reseller. I also have 2 front cases at an antique mall, so I source a lot of things for that purpose, but I also offer some of my items to you here on YouTube as well. So if you're ever interested in anything, please check out the description after the video. Everything will be in there for you, how to get in contact with me. I really, truly prefer text message. But if you live outside of the country, please send me an email to MississippiLady42@gmail.com. That will be in the description after the video as well. Prayers goes out to each and every one of you here on YouTube, especially the ones who are in need of prayer. If they're going through some kind of a sickness or some kind of mental anxiety, depression, whatever the case may be, prayers to you, and prayers that God can make it through for you to find some kind of a peace. You guys, today is $2 Tuesday, where everything you're gonna see is $2 each piece. Please put a timestamp in the comment for the item or item that you may be interested in, and whoever does that first will be awarded the item. Please check the sold list to see if the item is taken before you go ahead on and watch through the whole video and find something that you did not want or that you thought you wanted and it's gone. So please check out that description. It will be always pinned in the comments. You guys, please go over and check me out on Instagram, TikTok, and Facebook, and I am I Spy Queen on all of those. Let's get into it. First, we have this little box here. I think it's a prayer box. It has this little angel with a horn, and it said blessed by God. And we also have this little angel. I want to say these are like pocket pieces for like healing. It's got tape here. I gotta get that off of there. But yeah, $2 for the little box set. Next, I have this little porcelain rainbow style little shoe. I have a couple of these for my daughters when they was born. Their picture goes there, is where I put it at. Here is the maker. $2 for that. Next, we have this new on card necklace, gold tone. It's got suede ribbon and rhinestones. It has an extender, lobster claw clasp. Right now, it is at, on the card, it is at a 8.5 inch. But I actually don't know how long it is from there because I don't want to take it off the card. So $2 for that. Next, we have this beautiful necklace. It's got a lot of colors in it. It is plastic. I wish it was natural stone, but that would be something to see. Wearable inch on this is a 14. Spring ring clasp on this. $2. Next, we have this peach and gold tone. Wearable on this one is a 11 inch. Spring ring clasp. Pretty colors. Next, we have these beautiful earrings. Glass stone, hyperallergenic on the card. $2. Next, we have this silver tone. Look like an artisan piece. It's pretty cool to me. Even if you didn't want to wear this to wear anywhere, it would be nice for Halloween for like a Cleopatra or a Roman god, one of those type of, that's what I would prefer to wear it as, honestly, myself. Size 10 wearable inch on this one. Here's the back. They did a good job on it though. I like it. I want to start getting into making things like this. So we have that. Next we have this charm piece. Pretty rhinestones, dangles. If you make jewelry, you can add it onto a necklace. It's new on its card. Next we have this little porcelain, I just forgot what it was. Basket, porcelain. All of the flowers are there. No cracks or chips on it. Made in China. So we have that. And we also have another one. No cracks or chips on this, so you got two. And they'll be $2 each. Next we have this little this little skillet. It's a rose gold. It's marked West Bend, made in the US. Now, I don't know if you can really cook on this or is it for decorations. So let me know in the comments. But it's pretty cute and look fairly new. We have that. Next, we have this little purse. It's like a black kind of a suede material. The handles are nice on it. Here's the inside. It's got a pocket here. No makers on it. Here's the insides. Cute little purse if you're just going out to dinner. You don't want to throw your, and I know it'll fit your phone. You know, cute little purse. $2. We have these pair of earrings here. Gold tone and black faux crystal. Match style up top. Here's the back. It said adults only. Made in China. So we have those. They're lightweight. You need a little bit of a bath. Next, we have this little trinket box here. Porcelain. Good for a gift. I think I have a box for it as well. No cracks or chips. There's the bottom. Next we have this necklace, silver tone, dangles and pearls. Looks like all of the rhinestones are there. So $2. It has an extender. Let's get a measurement on it. Fully extended, it is a 9.5. $2. Next we have the matching earrings to go with it as well. $2. Next we have this little house. I believe it's so cute. I don't know what it is. A little castle, school, church. I don't know. But it's pretty. No cracks or chips on it. It's from, I want to say, the same collection. So we have that. Next we have these beautiful turquoise. I can replace that stone there. I see that's missing. But I can definitely replace that. And no, we won't even try to sell these. Next we have this locket. You can put like potpourri, or if you wanted to put a picture in there, you could too. And you close it back. Those almost look like eyelashes. This has no clasp on it. Wearable on this one is $17 on this one. 17 inches. Next we have this beautiful brushed gold tone spike style necklace to me. It has a lobster claw clasp. Look like it's fully extended. So it will be like a 9 and some change wearable inch. How's everybody doing today? Hopefully good. I will leave in the community tab if anyone is interested in me doing a live $2 Tuesday, because if not, I'll just do another pre-recorded one. So please let me know in the comments. I would appreciate it. I want to say, how this buckled crooked. So let's see, how would you even get a this one is an 8. It has an extender as well. Next we have another little house. No cracks or chips on this one. Cute. The maker again. Ooh. Have that. Next we have this little set. It came together. I don't know the measurements on this. I'm guessing maybe a 9. Chain is pretty, very pretty. We have that. Next we have this little, I don't even know what you would call it. Like a wallet case maybe. There's the makers. It's got a pocket here. Nice and clean. It's got a pocket up above. Nice and clean. Maybe it's like for your passports or something. I'm not sure. Or your makeup brushes maybe. I don't know. No rips or scruffs on it. This one is at 8.5 across. Next we have this blue. I love this blue. Fold over clasp. Gold tone, no makers on this one. This one is it mine waist? I want to say this will fit better as a, so I'm a 7. I would say a 6. I would say a 6.5. And it works. Next we have this leaf. It's blue. Pretty blue color cuff. Bracelet. You can squeeze it into your fitting. Next we have a pair of hand-painted hoops, chunky hoops, that is. Post, plastic, very vintage. Very vintage. Next we have a pair of earrings. Like a turquoise blue. These are pretty. $2. Next we have a stretchy, I think these are plastic bracelet. That's how it stretches very good on it. These almost look like natural stones, but they are not. Pretty faceted beads. Next we have this weaved dark blue and off-white belt. It looked like it's leather to me. It doesn't have a length showed, so I'll get a measurement on it for you. Measurements on it with the measuring tape is a 36.5 length. 36.5 length. I want to say this is a female belt, and you can put it in any area with these. I love these kind of belts because they don't have no holes. You don't have to put extra holes in there. You just put it, stick it in there, and it'll go. So we have that in very good condition. Next we have this tannish and gold tone necklace. I always say these look like little beetles to me. It has an extender Measurements on this one is fully extended is a 11.5 inches fully extended. So we have that. Here's the back. Next we have this plastic necklace. It almost looked like it was glass beads. I was in my glory when I first saw it. I said, ooh, 10.5 inches, and it has faux pearls with little black faceted beads in between. Spring ring clasp. Next we have this belt. I feel this belt maybe have went to a coat, but these belts are cute with them long shirts, like a pair of jeans and a long white shirt, and you put this across the shirt, and it's got elastic. So where it's at fully clothed, it's closed. It's saying it is a 13-inch across, but it's one of those stretchy ones. There's no sizing on it. Let me take it apart and see how long it is. All right, unbuckled. It is saying it is a 27. Unbuckled. So we have that. Next we have this stretchy bracelet. Stretch is good on it. Very, very pretty. Next we have a shell, mother of pearl necklace with faux pearls on it. Measurements on this one is fully extended is a 9.5 wearable inch, and this is a Avon piece. The maker is there. Avon lobster claw clasp. $2. And we have a ring that looked like it would go with it very well. Stretchy ring. Silver tone. Pretty much fit any size. So we have that. Next we have this rose gold stretchy. Fit any size pretty much. Stretches very good. Next we have these fuzzy socks. I don't know if they have a, do they have a size in them? No, no size. But if some of you have been watching me, I did a haul video on a lot of this stuff that I am showing today. couple days ago, I want to say. In very new light condition. Have those. Next we have this beautiful necklace. This is a New York piece, wearable. This one is a 9 on this one. Have that. Next we have this sweater clip, faux pearls. In very good condition. Next we have this beautiful faux bracelet. I almost wanted to keep this, but I can't keep everything, y'all. New on this card. It has my fun colors. This is how you would open it. And close it. Next we have this necklace. It has a maker on it. Wearable inch on this one is lobster claw clasp is a 17 inch. It won't let me focus to show what the maker is. Like, why is that? It looks like it says casual corner. It won't, yeah. There we go. It has a little wear on it. So we have that. And last but not least, we have this pair of lever backs. I think that's what it's called, or little antique gold earrings with faux pearl. I like the design on those. Those are pretty. Both of the rhinestones are there. So we have those. And that is it, you guys. So please, if you're not interested in anything, please let me know what your favorite was. And yeah. Again, leave a timestamp for the items or items that you may be interested in. And whoever does that first will be awarded that item. Until then, you guys, please stay safe, stay blessed. Stay kind and courteous to one another. And always remember to check on your friends, family, and neighbors. And please remember to always keep it real. Until then, I Spy Queen Anitra. I am out.